Hi guys, Namaste and welcome to my channel Reviewer Chokri. I am your reviewer Chokri Veena Lobo and welcome to another video on my channel. So how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys are safe in your homes and सब अच्छे से हैं, सब खैरियत से हैं. And if you are watching this video, I'm sending you all the positive vibes in the world. सब ले लो आप लोग, सब positive vibes आप लोग ले लो अगर आप ये वीडियो को देख रहे हो. And the other day I was watching this YouTube video, some tutorial, and this YouTuber was, complimented by another viewer saying that, you are so calm in the way you talk, like it's so soft spoken, unlike other YouTubers. And I was like, that is really sweet for that YouTuber, but that is definitely not about me because I am all about the energy. Because I am all about the energy. Sorry guys, इतना ही energy रहेगा इस वीडियो में. Cannot calm it down. Just please deal with it. So हाँ, अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे लड़की कितना ब्लैबर करती है वीडियो में. When does she even actually start the video? Okay, so in today's video I am going to be talking about a shampoo and a conditioner. Now this shampoo is, I would not say my favorite, but it is going to become my favorite. I know it's on that list because it has one of my favorite ingredient, and that is what, इतना तो आपको अभी तक पता होना ही चाहिए यार. एक ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है अपने पर्सनल केयर प्रोडक्ट्स में, एंड दैट इज द coconut ingredient and coconut base. I've also used a Khadi coconut shampoo. And I've made a review on it, so if you have not yet watched that review of mine, I'm linking that up in the I section button of this video, wherever that button is right now. Click that and check that out. And so in this video I'm going to show you the Wow Skin Science Coconut Milk Shampoo. I'm just going to zoom it over here so that you get a good look of it. The Wow Skin Science Coconut Milk Shampoo and the Wow Skin Science Coconut Hair Conditioner. I'm going to be reviewing these two products. Reviewing as in I'm going to tell you my experience of using these products, क्योंकि भी almost एक महीना ऐसे हो गया है इसको use करके. ये almost अभी they're almost getting over. So I was like, this is a good time to make a review and share my experience with you guys. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. But before we proceed on the video, I just want to ask you whether आपने इस reviewer छोकरी को आपने इसको subscribe किया है कि नहीं. It's also my, I think, not so subtle way of showing off my light box. Actually, this was given to me by my friends. My birthday was there last week and they have gifted me this very pretty and cute light box. But मैं इसका light अभी on इसके लिए नहीं कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि सामने से light आ रहा है, so ये इतना reflect नहीं करेगा. But at the end of the video, I'll switch off all the lights and show you how cute it looks, because it looks really pretty. Also try and link this up in the description box below, so any of you guys who want to see it and buy it, you can definitely do it. And अभी तो क्लियर अक्षर में लिख दिया है यार, ये नाम है और नीचे रेड कलर का बटन है. प्लीज कर दो फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. So the Wow Skin Science Coconut Milk Shampoo and Conditioner, both of these products are 300 ml. The shampoo costs you $4.99, the conditioner costs you $4.95. So like when you buy it together, it's almost like 1,000 rupees का खर्चा that you do. But the quantity is more, like it's 300 ml, तो ये आराम से आपको 1.5 month तो आराम से आपका निकल जाएगा, depending on the number of hair washes that you do. Plus the shampoo has to be used in a diluted manner. Like I told you, you can dilute the shampoo and use it. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छे से sustain हो सकता है आपको. Like even at one shot you feel that you are spending this much and buying this particular shampoo, it will retain for a long time. It will go on for a long time. It's long lasting in that way. And yeah, if you buy it from any e-commerce website, definitely you can get some offer on it. I will link it up in the description box below so you can check it out. But yeah, that is the market price of these both shampoos. Market price of both the shampoo and the conditioner around $4.99 and $4.95. Now about the coconut milk shampoo. First I will begin with the chemicals wala part, because that is the primary reason I run this particular channel, where I try to promote products that are devoid of harmful chemicals in your personal care products, ताकि हम जितना हो सके उसको कम use करें, harmful chemicals को कम use करें. And so I'll speak about that part. So in this particular shampoo there is no sulfates, no paraben, no silicones, no colors. So the whole point of having any kind of harmful chemicals is completely eliminated in this particular shampoo. And it's also one of the reasons जिसके वजह से मैंने shampoo को purchase किया, because I buy my products on basis certain categories and certain reasons that I require, you know, अगर मुझे कोई problems I'm facing, so I, you know, I base my reasoning on that and think that, you know, मुझे किस चीज़ की requirement है. So like it's my requirement to go for things that have lesser harmful chemicals, so I started looking out for that and I found the shampoo and ये चीज़ें इसमें कम है या ये चीज़ इसमें नहीं है, इसके वजह से I purchased this shampoo. Now moving on to the ingredients in this shampoo. Now the main ingredient in this shampoo is coconut milk. I don't even need to start telling you all what are the benefits of coconut milk. I mean, it nourishes your hair, it moisturizes it helps it from breaking and innumerable, you know, coconut milk के benefits मतलब मैं ही आपको क्या ही बैठ के बताऊं. It's I can do like a whole video on coconut milk benefits. So there are that many benefits of coconut milk and I personally love this ingredient because I am a South Indian and like I always say, you know, coconut हम लोग के life में मतलब पहले से बचपन से रहे है and it's been used in so many other dishes that we prepare and almost everything. So I really like coconut. So coconut milk इसका main ingredient है. The other two ingredients in this are DHT blockers. DHT is a dihydrotestosterone. Okay, I have really tried hard और मुझे पता नहीं था इस particular hormone के बारे में. I have really tried hard to learn it and understand it. So this is so इसके अंदर DHT blockers है. So what is DHT? DHT is a hormone जो आपके बॉडी में हेयर थिनिंग एंड हेयर लॉस कॉज करता है. ओके, नाउ it is, I read it a bit, so it is kind of connected to testosterone also, जो अगर in a women's body if it is more due to like मुझे PCOD का problem है, so you definitely face hair fall issues. Now I do have hair thinning problem also. It's just that my hair is curly, so you know it kind of has that look and it looks puffed up, but hair thinning का issue I have. So this particular shampoo has two strong DHT blockers. Now those two ingredients are nettle leaf and saw palmetto extracts. Okay, now nettle leaf and saw palmetto extracts are two saw palmetto is, you know, is a kind of palm. It's not a palm leaf but उसी type का है वो, and even nettle leaf is a kind of plant extract. So both of these things, when I studied them, they are used for, you know, prevents hair loss. It grows your hair back. It helps in retaining your hair thinning का problem. It helps in preventing hair thinning problem. So all of the ingredients that are used in this particular shampoo, no, are for people facing hair fall related issues. अगर आपको हेयर थिनिंग का इशू हो रहा है, हेयर फॉल का इशू हो रहा है, हेयर ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा है, all of these problems, no, and hair fall बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, so all of these problems, they have actually marketed this particular shampoo for these problems and for this reason. Okay, now then when you club it with such a lovely ingredient called coconut milk, it makes it one of the best things, and plus इसमें harmful chemicals नहीं है, right? So these 2-3 check boxes that I personally have when I select my shampoo, it, you know, kind of marks all of it and it works really good. So if I go to tell you these 3 points that they have mentioned here, is it helps strengthening hair roots, it checks hair loss and premature graying. So all of these ingredients, you know, work like in a perfect harmony and blend. I've realized I keep using this harmony and blend a lot, but what I mean to say is these ingredients are very, you know, complementing each other. Coconut milk है, फिर उसके DHT blockers हैं. So all of these things work really well. And another, okay, now the other thing is what I really love about coconut, the Wow Science coconut shampoo is, this is the packaging. Okay, this is the entire packaging. So okay, now here can you see that the whole list of tips. Okay, they have laid down like a whole list of tips that you should know on how to use this shampoo and how to know. You will say कि अरे how to use the shampoo मतलब क्या shampoo use करने नहीं आता क्या हमको, but you know there is that one thing the brand does where it goes, you know, one step ahead to, you know, even if it is their marketing thing to show you like, you know, like okay, they care, like this is a little more than what regular other products will offer you. So here they have told you कि किस तरीके से shampoo करना है, and I actually tried doing it this way. And it's not just for Wow Science shampoo, you can do this for all your, like it's like a process that you can use to wash your hair. So in this they have said that whenever you wash your hair, soak it with first lukewarm water so that your cuticles, you know, your hair cuticles open up. Then you put your shampoo and massage your hair for 2 to 3 minutes. When you do that, you know, you give your chance, give your hair a chance to open up, the cuticles open up and the product gets absorbed into your hair very well. Then you wash it with normal water and then you wash it with ekdam cold water, so that whatever nourishment you have given via these products to your hair, that is retained. So that is a wonderful way, it's actually like, you're making your hair prepared ki bhai abhi, open up, let me just, give you the kind of nourishment, and you wash it off, and then, like you seal your hair back. That's the whole process they have given on how to use. Then there is a whole tips to remember over here. They have actually given a whole tips to remember over here on what are the different types of hair and how you should go. If you have dry hair, how you should half an hour pehle pre-condition your hair, and if you have greasy hair to aapko kya karna chahiye, dry hair to. And सबसे अच्छी बात, I liked it at the end of it, they are saying this is something that even I want to tell you guys, and probably it's probably something that you already know, but it's that, कोई आगे से बोल देता है तो ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ यार ध्यान में रह गया. So here they have said, at the end they said, have a high protein diet and hydrate yourself well and everything. So this is what I want to tell you, whenever we purchase a particular product, we have a lot of expectations from that product कि यार मुझे अभी ये problem हो रहा है and it should just solve my problem, like, एक हफ्ते में सब कुछ ठीक हो जाना चाहिए. Some people are like एक दिन में ठीक हो जाना चाहिए, and when it doesn't do so, they go and write like हाँ तुम्हारा इतना खराब है product and everything. I'm not saying कि सब लोग का ही वो है, but it does happen. So if you are actually facing any kind of issue, जैसे मुझे hair fall का issue है, I know that I have to take a holistic approach, okay, a 360 approach. I need to hydrate well, I need to eat my greens, I need to exercise so that there's enough blood circulation that reaches my scalp. I have to do all of these things, and then I will rely on like a external factor, like a product, ठीक है. What an external factor will do, ये एक shampoo है, it's just meant to cleanse my hair. आई एम सपोज टू यूज लेस हार्मफुल केमिकल्स, तो वो करता है. हाँ, अगर इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स मेरे लिए काम कर गए तो ये इट्स लाइक अ सोने पे सुहागा वाला सिचुएशन, बट दिस कैन नॉट बी द ओनली रीजन दैट योर हेयर इज वर्किंग आउट. That can't be the only reason. Then you're doing it wrong, definitely doing it wrong. So this end point जो यहाँ पे उन्होंने लिखा है ना, वो मुझे like personally I really like it a lot, because that's a great way to tell, like ये product है, it will take some time, like with patience and consistency, of course you will see the result. Now जैसे मैंने अभी इतना बोला regarding the ingredients की it stops hair fall and everything, but the thing is that अगर ये hair fall इतना stop करता तो मैं अभी आपको बताती हूँ ना कि guys I have just found the product, I found the, but it's not that, it's not stopped my hair fall completely, but is the texture of my hair good? Yes. Do I feel good using it? Do I feel that considerably मैं अपने इसमें अपने hair को less chemicals दे रही हूँ? Yes. So I'm saying that gradually the changes definitely take time. और पर्सनली मैंने वाओ साइंस का इतना खराब रिव्यूज़ ना नहीं देखा है, मतलब आई हैव गॉन थ्रू लॉट ऑफ रिव्यूज़, like for some people it has not worked out, but like 90% of it has worked out for people, like they are happy with the product. Okay, so I feel that overall ingredients wise, the whole packaging wise, and the kind of tips they have given you, it's like a promise that ये चीज़ें हैं and this is how you should take care and this is what it is, and it's like a truth that they are laying out. ठीक है, ये है, this is the issue. Some things will take time, some things you need to use it consistently, and that's how you'll get through it. So yeah, that's about it. और how do I use this particular shampoo? Now because इसमें सल्फेट नहीं है, SLES नहीं है, so you should know that ये लैदर नहीं होता है. Okay, ये easy, मतलब ये इस तरीके से लैदर नहीं होता है. So what I do is I use like a mug, like a bathing mug. I put a little bit of shampoo in it and I fill that mug with pura water. I run it under continuous water so that you full भर जाता है, it foams up, and then I kind of put it in my hair. इससे क्या होता है, my hair is thin also, no, so it reaches at every strand of my hair अच्छी तरीके से, and then I am able to cleanse it up. अगर मुझे लगता है कि ये जो अभी मैंने डाला है वाला में वो एकदम पानी पानी हो गया and there is like no, it's not giving me enough shampoo, then I take a little bit of shampoo and I put it. So already my hair has that wet diluted shampoo, उसके ऊपर से मैं थोड़ा सा thick shampoo डालती हूँ and it just becomes right. Okay, so I nicely massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and then I wash off my hair. I start with lukewarm water, I put the shampoo, I massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and then I go and put it under cold water ताकि वो पूरा moisture lock हो जाए. And yeah, so that's about it. I think the ingredients, again I'll repeat, इसमें ingredients है coconut milk, it has nettle leaf and saw palmetto. These are DHT blockers, that is dihydrotestosterone, which is a hormone which causes baldness. in male and female both. I'm still studying कि इसको क्या foods you can have, you know, what are the kind of foods you can eat and how you can reverse if I'm having hair fall because of that. And the day I understand it a little better and I'm able to present myself on it, I'll definitely make a video on that also. The shampoo is the reason that I even got to know that such a thing can exist and ऐसे भी type का balding or hair loss होता है. Like this also can be one of the reasons. So yeah, I will link the particular product in my description box below. You can definitely check it out, see the reviews and use my link below and purchase the products. And if you have already used this shampoo and you have a feedback on it or you're going to use this shampoo, please leave a comment and tell me how you liked using this. So I'm just going to show you यहाँ पे I've taken a little bit of shampoo and that's how it is. You can't see a color, but it has this white, it has this white liquidy color. It's not completely transparent and it smells amazing, guys. It smells beautiful. It's like literally emptying a nice coconut milk packet on your hair. It's that good. It smells amazing. I'm going to show you a little bit of the conditioner. These bottles have this, stop and open arrows over here. So this also keeps the product, sealed properly. It makes it, good travel friendly product. So ये almost अभी ख़त्म होने को आया है. So this is the conditioner. I can show you it's काफ़ी dense. Okay, it's a really dense and creamy conditioner. It's not at all ऐसे watery. So you have to make sure that your hair is अच्छी तरीके से wet when you're applying this, and when you're trying to open your knots with your hands, especially when you have curly hair like mine, you will need to have your hair soaked अच्छी तरीके से in water because this is a really dense shampoo. Dense is good for your conditioning and everything. It's really creamy and nice. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And till we meet again, take care of yourself and ta-da! So like I promised to you guys earlier that I'll show you how my light box looks without the front light reflecting on it. So here we go. Ta-da! Subscribe to Reviewer Chokri, guys. Oops. Subscribe!